So we're going to enter this. If you guys don't see me again on YouTube, no, I'm in the corn maze. Please transmit it to family and friends. I found this. Guys. Hey guys, so we are unboxing our drone from Temu. Hey guys, so today we're going to be unboxing this drone I got from Temu. It's actually open because somebody could not wait to unbox it. Come here. Somebody could not wait, so he has unboxed it. But let's assume it's closed. So we're unboxing our drone from Temu. It's a dual camera. It's a dual camera drone. Trajectory flight, convenience folding, cool LED lights, large capacity, something. This is it. Hey, at all. This is it. It has the remote control, and this is the drone. I have never used the drone before. I don't know how it works.
Why does this kind of feel so weird?
And I don't know what these are. This is the manual.
The battery. This is the battery.
I have no idea how it works. But this is it. It's supposed to be like how? I think it uses a battery somewhere.
Is that the I think it is.
I'm going to. It has a tape covering the battery source. So
I'm pretty sure that's the battery source. Because I don't think it is.
So I'm supposed to. Oh, the light is on. See?
Wait, that's the light of the camera?
So hold this first. Before takeoff, press this button to calibrate the gyroscope. Wait, we're not taking off yet. Where is it taking off? I don't know.
Just right up.
Okay, this needs a battery.
Okay.
Come, go show daddy to give us. And he's on the call. Battery. Don't have battery in my room. Go show my daddy to give us batteries. Urgently, we're recording a video. So, the light is out. We're going to use it to spy on the whole neighborhood. We're going to spy on everything. Oh, this looks cool already. It has something here. Okay. And it has two cameras. I don't know where the cameras. Okay, this is one camera. I don't know where the other camera is.
Thank you.
Guess what? Our drone went away. It went into the farm. Can you see this farm? Our drone is there. I have no idea how we're going to get it. This is a very, very big farm. Can you see the farm? This farm is and there's a ditch. There's a big ditch. So how are we going to get the drone out? Except if it's connected to the remote I have. It's somewhere there. How on earth are we going to do that?
I bought it.
Is it connecting? We're trying to see if it will connect. It was just going.
I think someone is holding it. Why? I'm gonna try to see if it's in here. Hi.
I don't know where exactly it is.
Mommy, should we try to walk over there? Nope. Guess we lost our drone.
We lost our drone on the first trial. We need to enter inside the corn maze.
Mommy, we're not going into course.
So we're looking. I'm going inside that maze. I'm going in. My drone. Let's go. There's a way here. My new drone. My new drone. We're going to enter this. If you guys don't see me again on YouTube, no, I'm in the corn maze. Please transmit it to family and friends. Adela, let's go. Be brave. We're looking for a drone. This is the remote. Which kind of tigers? It's not only tigers. This is a residential place. Let's go. Continue complaining, you Oga. You only know how to complain. Just be looking by the left. We should see the drone. Let's enter this second side. I'm positive. Follow me, Jory. We can even start it here. Let's see if it will connect. Start. Be looking by the left. Needs to be around this side. Hold this one. You get lost when I'm here. Are you trying it? I'm sure it fell down. It went off. Oh, my camera is still on. If you guys don't see me again,
Stop saying that.
why is it?
Yeah. Probably gonna actually get it's so hard not to hack and then you're making me scared.
Drone, where are you?
Can we just go back?
You wanna give up? No, we don't give up. We're not supposed to go further than this. Oh,
Thank you.
I saw it dropping actually. Hey, we're going back now. We didn't see the drone, so we're coming back. My son seems to be too scared, so I'll go drop him. I may come here with my husband. Come and follow him. I'll come with my husband to look for it. We didn't find it. Whew. See on my body. I'll come back. I'm not coming back with you. I'm coming back alone. Because they're just complaining. Lesson learned. If you want to fly a drone, go to a very, very, very open field. Open field, like a football field. Until you're an expert. Before you can fly it in residential areas. God, my body is itching me. I entered maize farm. See the farm? It's very big.
My body. It. Let me look at how much rashes I have. One on my wrist, everywhere. Oh my gosh.
I'm going back to get the drone. This time around, I'm not coming back if I don't get it. I had to return my son because he was scared. So I had to go wear a boot. Wear a long sleeve because it's itching. Up to now, the maize haze is itching me seriously. So that's why I'm wearing a hoodie. God, this thing is big. On the drone, guys, I found the drone. What? I found the drone. I found the drone. Oh my goodness. I found this. Guys, I just kept going and going. I found it. Oh my goodness. Oh. I just hope I'll bust out on the road. God, I found it. I found it. I'm so scared. I'm like, God. Yes. I'm like, God, is this how I'm going to go back without this drone? Oh God! Who are you? God, I need to go shower like immediately. I'm so excited. I found this drone. I hope it's not broken. No, it's not. Hi. Oh, my neck. I found it. My son will be so excited. He was already crying. Oh, he was already crying. Oh, my body is itching me. I found it. Oh my God. The thing was just going. It was just flying. We couldn't control it as per. We've never used drone before. We couldn't control it. We had the remote, but we couldn't control it. Like, this is... Tomorrow I'm going to go to a field, a football field, to learn this. Adaiza! Adaiza!
You're the best! You're the best!
I told you.
So mommy, don't go back over there.
No, we'll do it on the field tomorrow.
Huh?
We have to do it on the field now.
Oh yeah.
Are you excited?
I thought
Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
Did you think I won't bring it back?
No.
You're just scared. I'm crying.
Well, I
I'm
wasn't
scared.
crying, I
I'm
was focused.
scared.
But I was actually scared.